Some derived quantities can be formed, as we said earlier, by multiplying and dividing several fundamental quantities. This causes the derived quantity to be complicated and very difficult to write. So in this case, what we do is that we give these derived quantities names after famous scientists who have done work in that area. For example, kilogram meters per second square, kgms to the minus 2, is the SI unit for force and is written as a Newton after Sir Isaac Newton. You can find more great physics tutorials like these over on my website at realginaroberts.com.